Hey everybody, I'm delighted to present to you Dunkirk Farmhouse, a sensational 4-bedroom period property. So if you're a family looking for a new home, one box you can tick off your list immediately is this kitchen family dining room, which was installed in 2013, and it's an absolutely fantastic place for entertaining or family living. So the property was originally built in 1834 and then recently extended in 2013 to create this wonderful space with pool, ideal for entertaining.